Welcome back to Paint with Neeraja. In this whimsical winter puppy portrait, completed the eyes first to capture the emotion and brought harmony of cool blue, warm brown, soft pink and fresh green, which radiates calm, love, affection and positivity. These contrast colors makes the puppy face stand out clearly from a distance. I brought cuteness alive by painting tiny buttons, fluffy fur and a cozy cap. If you like this painting, comment as puppy. Some paintings don't decorate the walls, they warm and heal the hearts. Thank you for watching Paint with Neeraja.